Patapat naman po ako ng lineup ko. All-time players po. Point guard, Allen Iverson. Shooting guard, Tracy McGrady. Small forward, Kawhi Leonard. Power forward, Tim Duncan. And center, Shaquille O'Neal. Matagal na po ako nanonood ng mga video mo. Sana manotice po. Salamat. Galing kay Jovic Sabarisa. Sige, tapatan natin yan. All-time players. Let's go! All-time players against sa all-time players ni Jovic Sabarisa. First team from Chicago Bulls. Siyempre si Michael Jordan. Shooting guard, the GOAT. Wala na, panalo na kagad ako guys. Next one, second pick from Atlanta Hawks. Small forward, Dominic Wilkins. Third pick, all-time players from the team of Atlanta Hawks again. Okay, sige. Center natin si Dikembe Mutombo. One of the best shot blocker during 90s. Point guard and power forward na lang.